told you. We've stopped defaming and slandering me. I told you. You want to talk about me? You want to poke fun of me? You want to do whatever you want? Like that, react to me? You did that for years and years. I never had a problem with it. Ever. But when you went IRL,
kiss me, and maybe so much more. But someone is beside you as I move around the floor. Come get me, come get me. I know you want my body as I move around the floor. Come closer, come closer.
So gather up all of your evidence, baby. Gather it all up. Your daughter has a few degrees in law, right? Like you say, your daughter is law. I don't know. I've never seen any pictures of her daughter. Never seen any degrees of you. Nothing. You're just this big old hotshot that no one's ever heard of with no teeth. Okay?
Blind person is also capable of going out with shades on, with cheap, janky shades to a nightclub which is dark and still manages to see. I mean, yeah, it's like, okay, where's your white stick? I mean, maybe he's hiding the white stick. We don't know, but yeah, okay.
Because that's basically what it boils down to. It just, I'm going out and having fun, and you hyenas are stuck at home watching me, and that just burns you.
I doubt that very much. I can't imagine that anyone would be remotely envious of your lifestyle. I really don't.